Now can I kill myself?
No.
Hey! Fuck you!
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. Alright, good night, Gally.
Meow if you're pretty. Oh, you're the prettiest girl.
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
Can you look at me? Very handsome.
The thing you're competing for is literally
Mikey's
real
a
world
bitch.
money. So it's completely the way you make.
This is what happens to bad kitties.
Do you think I have bad taste in men?
Are you hungry?
Can you hold on?
Hello? Hello?
Say hi. Yeah.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
Yahoo!